opposite of what you have to do to become a successful researcher. And I think this is thought-provoking, especially like when we think about how to shape an institution like NITheCS. Okay, let me start. My first point, and this is like one of the most important ones, is something I would call greatness cannot be planned, especially not by milestones. And to see what I mean by this, let us do a little thought experiment that I have been doing a lot in the last couple of years. If I want to disrupt AI, maybe a good point to start with is, what could I have been doing while AI wasn't known to have the impact on people that it has nowadays, to actually set up a research lab that predicts this impact, or kind of tries to like really shape this impact. And most of you like know kind of about the history of what we have in modern AI by now. Most of you know that in the 90s, basic ingredients were all there. And if you look at this paper by Yamiko from 1989, you see that even the pictures used in there are very similar to the pictures we like see in modern machine learning papers. But the architectures proposed there were in the 90s just not working. Kernel methods were very popular, boosting methods, very interesting methods, really deeply rooted in theory. Everyone says AI has nothing to do with theory, it's just empirical research, it's completely not true. But beautiful methods were investigated then. And then in 2006, for the first time an architecture like this, like a deep neural network architecture, has been made to train. And maybe around 2012, when there was really a phase shift in what these methods were able to do on the leaderboard, like in big competitions, especially in image recognition, I think one could have predicted what we're seeing now, and what has like in the famous Transformers papers being really founded, what we would call modern AI. So the question here is, like, if we were in the 90s, maybe in the early 2000s, what should a person like me, with this really strange, far-reaching kind of mandate, in a very small setup where we have very limited resources, actually do to predict this? And the answer is nothing. I do not think that it could have been predicted at all.